All right, this week we get started with Photoshop and the Project 2 movie poster. This week we're going to introduce you to Photoshop basics as well as the project. So take a look at some of the videos down there and then also make sure to take a look at your homework, okay? The documents to your left here will be referenced down below when you need them again. They're basically the documents that we talk about in the lecture and that you're going to need. Overall, you guys did really well on your Illustrator project. I'm going to go ahead and try to post some of those images on the website and send you an email to the link. Most people tend to like this project a little bit better because it's a little bit more forgiving with the software. The software tends to do a little bit more of the work for you, but you do need to be very adamant about forcing yourself to take lots of pictures, okay? So for this week's homework, you guys are going to have a movie synopsis, a movie proposal, some visual composition write-ups due, and then also taking photographs. And probably your most important thing to do is to take the photographs, but you want to do all of the homework, of course, and submit that. But basically, you're going to need those photographs for next week's homework and all along for your project, because you guys are going to start working on this project right away. The execution of it is going to start next week. Okay, so make sure you guys take a look at all the instructional videos. Try not to skip over any of the videos because then you're going to be missing like crucial steps, okay? So I've included all the videos that you need. Make sure you take a look at those, okay? Also, if you're stuck, if you're not understanding something, make sure to contact me right away with the other project. I know it's your first time taking this online course with me, so just make sure that you guys contact me right away so I can help you so that you're not left behind, okay? All right, good luck this week. Let's see how you guys do, all right?